Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Want to play Roblox on your PC or laptop but don't know how to download it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to get Roblox up and running on your device. Let's get started. Open your browser and search Download Roblox for PC, then tap on the first result. Now, click on Download for Windows to get the Roblox app on your PC or laptop. Now double-click on the Roblox setup file in your Downloads folder to start the installation. That's it. Roblox is now installed on your PC and you're ready to start playing. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Danvar Tech. See you in the next one.